ZTE will introduce its flip foldable phone Nubia Flip 2. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. With a larger 3 inches AMOLED cover screen with 422 by 682 pixel resolution, and it's still of the AMOLED variety with the same 1188 by 2970 pixels resolution. The smartphone will be 6, 8 and 12 GB of RAM. It is flanked by two cameras with 50 megapixel main shooter and a 2 megapixel secondary sensor. We can also spot a round LED flash below the two cameras. Flip 2 comes with a 32 megapixel front camera. There will be a side mounted fingerprint reader. Flip 2 is listed at 72 mm thickness in its unfolded state. The new phone will be lighter at 193 grams. That's all for now and thanks for watching.